Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we've come to McDonald's. Today they're supposed to have a new Happy Meal toy celebrating the 100th anniversary of the Walt Disney Company.
Alright, so I've got my Happy Meal here. I have to say I am a little disappointed because this Happy Meal is supposed to be celebrating Disney's 100th, the Walt Disney Company's 100th anniversary. And this is a Happy Meal box. It's a leftover box because it is a literary box. Just has books on it, basically. So that is a little bit disappointing, I'm not going to lie. So I got my Happy Meal here and my drink. I already told you what I thought of the box. I guess McDonald's, they didn't want to start this promotion. They didn't want to give away the good boxes right away. I don't know. Inside here we have apple slices, small French fry, chicken nuggets, and the toy. Ooh, this is number 4, Mickey Mouse and Friends, number 4. Looks like a pack of playing cards. And that is pretty much what this is. It's a deck of playing cards, but not quite exactly. You see here on the back of the cards, they have the Cinderella's Castle, Spaceship Earth, the Tree of Life, and the Tower of Terror there, representing the four central markings, the 4 building signposts of each of the 4 major theme parks in Walt Disney World. Now you flip these over. There's Mickey, he's the king. Minnie, she's the queen. And Donald is the jack. But then each of the, instead of numbers on there is numbers, number 2, number 3, and so forth. They've got the pictures of the buildings. So, there's Tower of Terror, Cinderella's Castle, Spaceship Earth, and the Tree of Life. It also includes this little instruction manual here. It gives instructions for a couple different games that kids can play. And now that I've opened my Happy Meal, I want to enjoy a little bit of it. Gotta love the chicken nuggets. Gotta love the chicken nuggets. And there we have it, the Mickey and Friends 100th anniversary of the Walt Disney Company Happy Meal from McDonald's. Now my understanding is they have a variety of items that come in these toys, not just playing cards, but I think they have some posters and different other things as well. So there are a lot of different items. I don't think there's 100 of them, but there are a lot of different items. So who knows what you'll get in your Happy Meal. Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.